Today we're going to be talking about the up-and-coming Caravan, Camping and Motorhome Show 2023 at Birmingham NEC. The show is going to take place from the 21st to the 26th of February inclusive, and the doors open at 10 AM and close at 6 PM daily. Now, there's some things you just need to remember. So you can't take dogs unless it's a guide dog, and also there's no overnight camping at the NEC this year. You will need a ticket to gain entry, and you can't purchase your tickets on the door. So if you go to the ccmshow.co.uk, which is the show's website, you'll be able to pick up your tickets. They are £12 each. Children from age 15 years under go for free, but you still need to issue them a ticket, so make sure you do that. And carers, they go free.
If you're a member of the Caravan and Motorhome Club, tickets are £9.25, but that only applies to the 21st of February.
Yeah, I think they've got some special anniversary special day.
Something like that, yes. The other days the tickets will be £10 apiece.
And the other club, are they offering any discount?
Yes, they are. Camping and Caravanning Club members can get tickets for £9.50.
And that applies to all the days, so it doesn't matter which day you go, it'll cost you £9.50 each day.
Discounted tickets are only available until the 20th of February 2023, so make sure you get in there early.
If you want to buy tickets after that date, then you still can, but those tickets will be back up to the normal price, and that is £15. So that's the end of all the discounts. So if you want to buy for the day or afterwards online, then it'll cost you the full £15 per person per day. What can you expect to see at this year's show?
Campervans,
Motorhomes,
caravans,
tents,
trailer tents,
holiday homes and holiday lodges,
awnings,
and my particular favourite, accessories, which I'm sure we will walk away with at least one.
and maybe another one for the doggies.
Yes.
If you're watching this video before the show, please let us know if there's anything you'd like us to put our eyes on for you.
We do have a press pass, so this means we'll be able to get in and do videoing before the crowds hit us. And if we can manage it in this time that we have, then we'll video it for you. Just pop it in the comments below, let us know what it is you want us to look at for you, and we'll go and video it.
So, what's going to be new in 2023?
Oh, I'm quite excited about this. There's quite a lot of things that are new for 2023. So for those of you like, oh, well, I went in October or I went February last year.
Oh, I went in 1852, yeah.
There are changes. So what can you expect from the changes? There's a dedicated campervan hall, and there's also a dedicated camping hall.
There's going to be a leisure vehicle advice centre, and what's that all about?
So they're going to be offering free, impartial, expert help, advice and information on all aspects of caravan, motorhome and campervan ownership. So if you already have one of those and you're thinking of changing to another, or if you're new to it altogether, pop over, see those guys, and they'll be able to give you some good pointers.
Is that the Forest Gump or the Forest Camp?
Forest Camp. So there's a Forest Camp this year where you'll be able to do campsite cooking, you'll be able to learn some bushcraft, and there'll be indoor nature talks and lots of fun activities all around that. So don't forget to take a look at that.
If you're going to be bringing young ones with, or if you're very young at heart, there's also going to be fun at the fair.
Yeah, so you can take a whiz down a helter-skelter, or you can just sit back and watch everybody else and have an ice cream.
Well, everybody loves a bargain, don't they?
What's for free?
Yes, exactly. 20-minute try towing a caravan lessons. I believe there's some prerequisites to doing that.
And I would advise going to the website and actually booking it online first so that you can get a space. It does get booked up very quickly. It's a very useful and handy 20-minute session. So if you've never towed before and you're thinking I'd like to, then have a taster and see if it's for you.
Don't forget to bring your driver's license.
Yes, definitely need your driver's license.
Motorhome manoeuvring and campervan test drives.
So I'm thinking if maybe you're someone that's thinking of moving up to a motorhome or a camper van, then it's your opportunity to go out and have a look and see how much bigger it feels than driving a car when you're towing a caravan. And you need to be over 25 years of age as well.
So don't forget to be over 25.
Do you think they'll think that I'm over 25?
They're definitely going to ID you. There's also a tow check service where you can determine if your tow car is capable of legally and comfortably towing the caravan you might have in mind.
So you already probably have a car, but is it capable of pulling the caravan you want? Are you going to restrict your search to a caravan that will go with your car, or are you going to have whatever caravan you like and maybe upgrade your tow vehicle?
Activities for all ages, and I guess abilities. There's one there that probably the two of us are not going to get stuck into, and that is so what does SUP stand for?
It stands for, I'm going to have to look. Stand up paddleboarding. Yeah, my coordination is not the best, and I'd probably do exactly what happens on the funny videos, the fails that you see, you know, kind of like running along the board and off it shoots, and that's me straight into the water.
So we're more of a FOP, fall off paddleboard.
Yeah, that would definitely be us. And they've also got like a man-made beach as well, so if you've got youngsters with you, they can go and make some sandcastles. And there's a beachside cafe as well, so you can watch all of the fun from the cafe.
Inspiration Theatre.
So there's a theatre, and every day there'll be different talks on different topics. For example, TV presenter Paul Merton is going to be going along and telling us all about his newfound love of motorhoming. Also, fellow YouTuber Cat Bird, aka Wandering Bird, is going to tell us about her journey around southern Germany, where she went to the Black Forest, and also she's going to tell us about a castle that inspired Walt Disney. Be looking forward to seeing Cat.
Yes. So what are we going to be looking at in particular? Well, I guess it's not the same old, you know, because that's boring. Or let's go and have a look at a little bit of innovation and see what the future has in store.
Yes, we're going to be looking at new and innovative ideas on layouts in all kinds of vehicles. So we're going to be looking at the campervans, caravans and motorhomes. We've owned all three, and across all three different types of leisure vehicle. As yet, we still haven't found the perfect layout. But then, does that even exist? So we're going to be looking and seeing if we can see anything that really makes us go, wow.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think the perfect vehicle exists.
It probably doesn't. I think we have the closest so far out of everything we've owned to what we would like layout, but it's always nice to see what else there is out there to offer. Of course. And you're a Mr. Techno, so what are you looking for technology-wise? I'm
going to be looking to see if some of the onboard tech systems that get supplied with a new caravan, campervan or motorhome have actually exited the 19th century and brought us smack into the middle of the 21st century. Now, wouldn't that be nice? Just because your radio is still powered by valves doesn't mean it's a good one to have.
So we're going to be there from Thursday the 23rd through to Saturday the 25th inclusive. If you see us, then pop over, have a chat. We'll have a supply of our new design Crafty Campervanner stickers to be given away. They're free, so stop us and ask for one. Yeah, we love to have a chat with everyone. Yeah, we are approachable, so why not approach us? And that's why we like the camping, caravanning and motorhome scene. It's all about the social aspect, really. So I always like a good gym wag. Happy to see anyone and everyone. To see what we get up to at the NEC, why not head over to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Then you'll get a notification every time we upload a new video to our channel.